Hello everyone. Today we're continuing our exploration of the Bill of Rights with a focus on Amendments 6 through 10. These amendments offer additional protections, especially when it comes to legal rights and the balance of power between federal and state governments. Let's dive in and see how these amendments impact our rights. The Seventh Amendment extends the right to a jury trial to federal civil cases. Civil cases involve disputes between individuals or organizations, rather than crimes against the state. For example, if two neighbors have a disagreement about property boundaries, this could be a civil case. The Seventh Amendment ensures that these disputes can be resolved by a jury of one's peers, providing a fair and impartial decision-making process. One landmark case that highlights the importance of this amendment is Tull v. United States, where the Supreme Court ruled that a defendant has the right to a jury trial in cases involving civil penalties. Key question: how does the Seventh Amendment protect individuals and ensure fairness in civil disputes? The Eighth Amendment stands as a crucial safeguard in protecting individuals from excessive bail, excessive fines, and cruel and unusual punishments. This amendment ensures that the justice system remains fair and humane, preventing the government from imposing unduly harsh penalties. For instance, in the landmark case of Furman v. Georgia, the Supreme Court ruled that the death penalty, as administered, was arbitrary and capricious, leading to a temporary halt in its use across the country. This case underscored the importance of the Eighth Amendment in ensuring that punishments are proportionate and just. Key question: how does the Eighth Amendment help maintain a balance between justice and humanity in the legal system? Fun fact: the phrase "cruel and unusual punishment" has its origins in the English Bill of Rights of 1689, showing the deep historical roots of this protection. Chapter 4. Ninth Amendment, Unenumerated Rights. The Ninth Amendment serves as a reminder that the rights listed in the Constitution are not exhaustive. Just because a right is not specifically mentioned does not mean it can be violated or ignored. This amendment ensures that individuals have other fundamental rights that are protected, even if they are not explicitly outlined in the Bill of Rights. Example: one of the most significant applications of the Ninth Amendment is in the realm of privacy rights. In cases such as Griswold v. Connecticut, the Supreme Court recognized that the right to privacy, though not explicitly mentioned in the Constitution, is protected by the Ninth Amendment. Key question: how does the Ninth Amendment influence modern interpretations of individual rights? Fun fact: the Ninth Amendment was included to address concerns that listing some rights might lead to the assumption that unlisted rights were not protected. The Tenth Amendment is the final amendment in the Bill of Rights and plays a crucial role in the balance of power between the federal government and the states. It states that any powers not specifically granted to the federal government by the Constitution, nor prohibited to the states, are reserved to the states or the people. This amendment underscores the principle of federalism, ensuring that state governments retain a significant amount of independence and authority. The Tenth Amendment has been central in debates over states' rights versus federal power, influencing issues ranging from education to healthcare. It serves as a reminder that the federal government is one of limited powers, with states having the ability to govern themselves in many areas. Question: how do you think the Tenth Amendment impacts the balance of power in the United States today? Fun fact: the Tenth Amendment was added to ensure that the new federal government would not overstep its bounds and encroach upon the authority of the states. As we continue to navigate the complexities of governance in the modern era, the Tenth Amendment remains a vital component of American political life. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring that states have the autonomy to address the unique needs and preferences of their populations. This flexibility allows for a diverse range of policies and solutions tailored to the specific circumstances of each state. In recent years, the Tenth Amendment has been at the forefront of discussions on key issues such as healthcare, education, and environmental regulations. For instance, states have taken varied approaches to healthcare reform, with some expanding Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act, while others have sought alternative solutions. This decentralized approach allows states to experiment and innovate, potentially providing models for federal policy. Furthermore, the Tenth Amendment empowers states to act as laboratories of democracy, a term coined by Supreme Court Justice Louis Brandeis. This concept underscores the idea that states can test out policies on a smaller scale before they are potentially adopted at the national level. By allowing states to serve as testing grounds, the 10th Amendment fosters a dynamic and adaptive political system. As we reflect on the 10th Amendment's ongoing relevance, it's clear that this constitutional provision continues to shape the landscape of American governance, ensuring a balance of power that respects both national and local interests. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the foundational principles that shape our nation. Today's lesson covered the 6th through 10th Amendments, highlighting their role in ensuring a fair legal process, protecting unlisted rights, and balancing power between the federal government and the states. Understanding these amendments helps us appreciate the protections in place to secure our freedoms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on American rights.